Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra, and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Notifications and Quick Settings. Then let's go to status bar, which is at the top. And as you can see here, we've got two different options which are connected with the battery, which is shown on the status bar. So I just wanted to start with the battery style, because as you can see after tapping here, we've got 4 different options to show battery percentage. So we can set the horizontal option, vertical option, loop option, and do not show it at all. And why I'm talking about that? It is because that if we will choose the horizontal option, then we've got this battery percentage option divided into 3 different options, so we can do not show it at all, display it inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon. But if we will choose, for example, the vertical option, the battery percentage option will change, and all we can do is to either display it next to the battery icon or hide it. It is of course because in this icon, we've got not enough space to show the battery percentage inside, but I just wanted to show you that here we've got different battery percentage options depending on the specific battery style. Same with the loop option, we can only turn it on and off, and obviously we can do not show the battery icon at all, and we can of course also hide the battery percentage, but I don't really think that it is the best idea. We can display only the battery percentage, for example. So it's of course up to you which option you prefer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.